Actian Avalanche Hybrid Cloud Data Warehouse gives you the best-in-class analytics performance out of the box without DBA tuning and optimization techniques. Load and go at the cube speed on fresh data. How do we do it? Let's count the ways. Actian Avalanche uses vectorized processing to operate on hundreds of tuples of data in a single CPU cycle. Traditional architectures typically consume a CPU cycle for every operation, which impacts overall throughput. 2. Taking full advantage of multi-core CPUs. Avalanche can perform vector processing across all available cores, which maximizes concurrency, parallelism, and system resource utilization. 3. Processing data using the CPU's on-chip cache for optimal performance. Our competitors tend to load data into memory or storage disks, which is far slower. 4. Using advanced compression, typically with a 5:1 compression ratio. Tuning algorithms optimize the cache just before and after operations to further enhance performance. 5. Optimizing I/O. Avalanche moves only compressed columnar sets of data and only as needed, from disk to DRAM and up to the chip cache. This limits I/O, generally resulting in zero penalty for real-time updates. 6. Using patented technology to assign indexes automatically as we apply positional changes and load to and from disk. So what does this mean for your analyst? Your business? Faster iterations on data models, quicker root cause analysis, real-time decision-making at the speed of business. Optimizing performance is critical, but so is the ability to pull the right data from the right applications and data repositories, without regard for data type or for whether the data is structured or semi-structured with its native JSON support. Actian Avalanche has direct loaders to pull in bulk data from popular data sources, including S3, ADLS, and Hadoop. It also includes native enterprise-class integration with more than 200 pre-built connectors, making it easy for you to pull data from a wide range of traditional on-prem and cloud-native applications. Of course, Avalanche supports popular third-party industry ETL tools as well. Finally, through ODBC, JDBC, .NET, and Python, Avalanche enables business analysts, data scientists, and data engineers to use their favorite tools for visualization, reporting, and advanced analytics, including Power BI, Tableau, MicroStrategy, and Looker. Avalanche comes with enterprise-grade security features that ensure the safety of our private and sensitive data, whether on-premise or in the cloud, including AES 256-bit data encryption, built-in dynamic masking to shield data elements and decrypting only certain details in the database, for example, the last 4 digits in a social security number, restrictions that constrain data visibility to named roles. Additionally, Avalanche leverages the security features built into modern on-prem and cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud to continually monitor and diagnose security threats and achieve SOC 2 compliance. As mentioned, Avalanche delivers operational elasticity, enabling you to scale your data warehouse up and down to meet changing business needs. In a typical scenario, we start by using Avalanche's automatic indexing to load our data into partitions equally distributed across the baseline nodes, say 4. But every day, we ramp that up to 8 nodes for the business users. And on the last day of each month, we ramp that up to 32 nodes. Then, every night, we'd ramp back down to 4 nodes. Avalanche takes advantage of a logical connection between each compute node and storage, where logical partitions get reassigned with no data redistribution or movement. Compare this approach to an on-premise appliance where there may be a need to provision uniformly to the equivalent number of nodes, or an appliance in the cloud approach which relies on physical connections between compute and storage where the data must be redistributed physically to balance across each node to take advantage of MPP. So, what does this mean for your business? Avalanche offers many advantages to your data-driven organization. Number one, as a truly hybrid data warehouse solution, we provide the analytic architecture deployment options for your cloud journey from on-prem to cloud, leveraging the same database, tools, and skill set. Number two, industry-leading performance, providing your business with the power to query the data you want and get answers at the speed of thought without relying on IT to tune your environment. Number three, we are the lowest total cost of ownership and even back it up with the guarantee to be 50% of the cost of Snowflake as an example of our price and performance leadership. For more on Avalanche's innovative performance and cost savings advantages, visit our website.